Okay, everyone, this is about the tiny house on wheel with porch, and it has outdoor gas stove. Anyway, we can see from the outside, and maybe we can see for and look around for the outside of this tiny house. It has several windows arrangement right there. This is about the windows arrangement, and it has several parts such as a fire protection system right there, and many more. Okay, we can look around. It has a secondary door access. Anyway, it has a secondary door access on the right side of this tiny house, and now we can try to go to the inside of this tiny house. Anyway, okay, we can look around for this inside of this tiny house. This is about the interior arrangement of this tiny house from the entrance. Anyway, we can see for the furniture arrangement on the right side. It has sofa area. It's until three capacity of sitters, and on the left side it has several furniture cabinet such as a computer and many more right there, and it has several wall shelf like this, and it has several shelf also. So we can go to the another room, especially we can go to the kitchen area. Before we go to the kitchen area, we can see for the right or left side cabinet. It has cabinet arrangement on the left side and left side. It has a refrigerator space right there, and it has staircase access right there. And I think it's very compact. I think it's very compact full furniture arrangement. So with this narrow with this narrow width of this tiny house, it could be accommodate for much goods. Anyway, then we can see for the uh, right side arrangement of this tiny house, it has washer machine, and on the above with oven shelf, and on the left side with a stove. This is a stove, indoor stove, and it has a well-mounted cabinet of this kitchen, and it has a L-shaped kitchen with a kitchen sink right there, of a coffee maker space, and many more, and with several lighting arrangement like this. Anyway, for almost all of this interior finishing is using lumber texture anyway, and um, we can see for the toilet. It has one toilet in this area with a shower, and it has a exhaust fan and several shelf for towel rack right anyway, and it has a window. it, it has enough window on this small area anyway, so we can go to the another space. Anyway, we can go to the upstairs from this area. Okay, this is for the bed area. Anyway, maybe it's for 1.6 meter or queen size of the bed. Anyway, we can look around for the another side, and it has exhaust fan right there, to maximize or make optimize the air circulation, and it has a daylighting system with a window. Even if small, it could be complete daylighting for this small bedroom anyway, and it has TV cabinet. It has a small TV placement right this. I think it's enough for uh, dwelling or for living for long term, because it has completely enough for the furniture arrangement and all needs for the daily living anyway. And I mean, it will be a low budget for housing for the next future housing for the low budget issue anyway. I mean, if you wanna look for the tiny house, you have to consider about the capacity of the tiny house and the feature of the tiny house, about the price especially, and uh, the important thing is about the material, and about the tiny house material. It correlated with the quality of tiny house material has correlation with uh, durability of the maintenance of the tiny house itself anyway. So if you choose the if you choose the good quality of tiny house, then you could save your money for daily maintenance or monthly maintenance until yearly or annually maintenance anyway. So I hope it will be insightful for all of you about the tiny house design and tiny house inspiration anyway. So if you wanna build your own tiny house, you could consider about the design, layout, and many more, I think. Okay, thanks for watching and just wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.